In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you from start to finish how to make this delicious Haitian recipe, lalo. Welcome to Emma HT Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So this is all the ingredients that I'm gonna be using to make this delicious recipe, you guys. I have here some dry lalo, some shrimp, crabs, and spinach. I'm gonna start first by hydrating the lalo because it's very dry, you guys. You really have to make sure you hydrating the lalo with you add some hot or warm water, let it sit overnight. But I was doing it the same day that I was cooking the lalo, that's why I had to let it sit for about like 6 hours. So this step is the most important step to make a good lalo, you guys. And also you can squeeze it before you put it in the hot water. Make sure you squeeze it, make it very thin, the dry lalo, before you add water into it, because this step is gonna save you time, a lot of time. I didn't do that, but I had to, it takes me a while before I chop it up, all this wet lalo, you guys. So it's very important to squeeze it before you put it into hot water. Now I'm cleaning up the shrimp and the crab, you guys. I like to start by clean them up with lime, lemon, and vinegar, you guys, very well, so that way it's gonna come out with good flavor, good taste, you guys. I like to do it this way. And you guys, I like to take my time. This recipe required like patience and time, you guys. It's a good recipe, it's a healthy recipe, but you need to know how to make it in order for it to be healthy, you guys. I like to do it with less amount of sodium, cholesterol and stuff. You're gonna see how I'm gonna be making it, but sometimes people, they make it with a lot of sodium, with a lot of cholesterol, they add a lot of oil. But I'm gonna do it the way that I would like it. I like to make it with less season, less oil. So this is the beef that I'm gonna be adding into it. So I'm gonna add like enough seasoning to the beef, so I don't have to add any other season into the lalo, you guys. So after seasoning the beef, I let them marinate it. So now I'm gonna chop it off the lalo, because I skipped the most important step, which is like squeeze it. I skipped that step, but now I will have to take my time, chop it off very thin, you guys. It's very important, and like I said, it's best to do it before you even put the lalo into the hot water. It's best to do it before, you guys. Now it takes more times to do it, and time, if you don't wanna waste time, it's best to do it before, you guys. And now I'm chopping off the fresh spinach, you guys. You guys, like, there's also something that you should know. If you can find like fresh lalo, I'm telling you, it would be much more easier. But because I couldn't find fresh lalo, that's why I use dry lalo. It's not something that I choose to. It's because I couldn't find like fresh lalo, that's why I use like dry lalo, you guys. So now I start to put the lalo into the pan and to cook it, you guys. So I put the meat in the middle so it don't burn at the bottom, you guys. And you need to add a lot of water into it so it can cook, you guys. I add a good amount of water into it. And then the oil, you see, you guys, I'm using olive oil, and I don't add a lot, you guys. I don't add a lot of oil in it, but this dish like takes a lot of oil, but I do it the way I feel like it's best for my health, you guys. So now the lalo is cooked, and now I like to add the seafood. Once the lalo is almost cooked, I like to add the crab, the shrimp, and all of that. I like to add it so they don't come out overcooked, you guys. So so the lalo, before it cooks, it takes about like 3 hours. So now I'm gonna let it cook with the crab and shrimp for about like another hour, you guys, and I add some lemon. It brings more flavor into the dish, you guys. So now after the crab is cooked, you guys, after 1 hour, I discover it and mix it up, you guys. And then if it's missing a little bit of salt, you can add a little bit of salt. So but I basically didn't really add anything after that. It's basically done, you guys. I just added a punch of salt because it's missed some salt. I don't really like to add like normal amount of salt on my food. My food, I like them with low amount of salt, you guys. I don't really eat salt, you guys. So now, you guys, the food is ready. Look at this, you guys. When I tell you this dish was so delicious, you guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in another video. Enjoy.